I intend to fast for the rest of my life on Mondays and Thursday. There are problems in my life and I am a sinner. Thus, I want to fast on these 2 days of the week so my heart will be in peace. Is it okay? And even if I am on a trip, should I take these 2 days fast? And if I was destined to get married and then my husband doesn't permit me to fast these 2 days, am I guilty? The question posed by the lady, it's a sister in Islam, who says that, she is a sinner, she's committed many things which are wrong, so she intends to fast 2 days every week on Mondays and Thursdays. Is it okay? Is it good? Very good. And I discussed it earlier also. Fasting on Mondays and Thursdays. Very good. And if you intend and fast, it's not a fard, it's a voluntary fast. So if you fast on Monday and Thursday, you'll be fasting twice a week. Leaving aside the fard fast of Ramadan, you'll be fasting 48 weeks. So every Monday and Thursday fast throughout the year, it would be 96 days in a year. Very good, alhamdulillah. Very good. The next question is that if I'm traveling, can I fast? Yes, you can fast. Fasting while you are traveling is not fard. Even the Ramadan fast, which are fard fast, if you find that traveling makes you difficult to fast, even the Ramadan fast, which are fard, can be delayed. But nowadays, most of the travels are easy. You travel in a plane, you travel in air condition, you travel in a bus. Unlike earlier times that you're traveling on the camel, in the sun, in the heat, it's difficult. So nowadays, fasting is easy. Someone asked me, if Allah has given me permission while traveling not to fast, and if most of the Ramadan I keep on traveling, it would be a big headache for me to travel otherwise, to fast otherwise. So if I say I will not fast because I'm traveling, I'll fast afterwards, it's permitted. But imagine when I'm fasting, when no one else is fasting and other things that I would not like it at all. Traveling is hardly any difficult. I personally would not want to delay my fasting. And most of the Ramadan I travel, that they're giving talks on the Dawa activity in the month of Ramadan. I fast always. Allah has given the rukhsah. But if you can do it, very good. And it hardly makes a difference. So, but natural, similarly, if you have committed to fast on Monday and Thursday while traveling, you can fast. If you find it difficult, no, you don't fast, no problem. Regarding your last question, that if I get married, and if my husband doesn't give me permission, am I guilty? The rule is, for the fard fast in Ramadan, permission of the husband need not be taken. But for all voluntary fast, if a woman is married, it is compulsory that she should take the permission of the husband before doing voluntary fast, because in fasting, the sexual relationship is prohibited. During fasting, you can't have sexual relationship. So if you are fasting, and if the husband wants to have a relationship with you during that day of fasting, you will not be allowed to do it. That's the reason for a woman, if she is married, it is compulsory for the voluntary fast, she should take permission of the husband. And the husband, if he is a good Muslim, if she asked, especially for those sunnah fast like Arafah, or fasting on Yawmul Ashura, or the first 9 days of Dhul Hijjah, or the 8, 9, 10 of Muharram, or Ayyamul Bid, the husband should give permission. Why should he not say no? Yes, if someone says, I want to fast alternate days, and if the husband cannot do, and he has a desire, so he may not permit you. But taking permission of the husband for voluntary fast is a must. If you do a niyyah, that you fast every Monday and Thursday, and then if the husband doesn't give you permission, you are not guilty. Your niyyah was there, husband didn't give you permission, you can convince him. If he agrees, you can do. But as I told in the earlier answer, be sure that you do not miss the other fast. Fasting on Arafah is the most important, then on the Ashura, 9th of Dhul Hijjah and the 10th of Muharram, very important. The first 9 days of Dhul Hijjah, very important. 9, 10, 11 of Muharram, important. Ayyamul Bid. See to it that you also do on these and on better, not that you do only on Monday, Thursday, and don't do any of the other sunnah fasts. Hope that answers the question.